Hello everybody. Today we're going to look at how we can subtract whole numbers up to 6 digits. And this is the question we're going to do. 726,635 take away or subtract 36,814. The first thing we need to do is to write our numbers into the correct place value columns. With subtraction, it is vital that you have the larger number on top. So we shall start there. Here, I'm going to start with the ones, and there are 5 ones. So I shall place them in the ones column. Next, we have 3 tens. We have 6 hundreds. There are also 6 thousands. We have 2 10,000s, and we have 7 100,000s. I am subtracting, so I am going to write the subtraction symbol on here so that I don't do the wrong operation. And then I shall put my second number that I'm subtracting into the correct place value columns. And as always, we will start with the ones. We have 4 ones. There is 1 10. We have 8 hundreds. We have 6 thousands. And we have 3 10,000s. And there is nothing here in the 100,000s column. We can now start subtracting our columns. And we shall start, as always, with the ones. We need to do 5 ones. Subtract 4 ones, which leaves us with 1. We then look at the tens. We have 3 tens, which is the same as 30 at the top. Take away 1 10, and that equals 2 tens, which would be 20. We can then look at the hundreds, and on our top number here, you can see we have 6 hundreds, and we need to subtract 8 hundreds. Now, as 600 is less than 800, we cannot complete this subtraction. So what we need to do is move to the next column, which is the thousands, and we're going to exchange or steal one of these thousands and bring it into our hundreds column. So we're going to take 1,000. We currently have 6,000. If we take one of those thousands, we are now left with 5,000. So I shall write that there. The 1,000 that I'm bringing into the hundreds column is the same as 10 hundreds, because 10 hundreds equals 1,000. So I shall place that 1,000 in front of the 6 to show that we now have 16 hundreds. We can then go back to subtracting our hundreds column, and we can do 16 hundreds, take away the 800s, and that leaves us with 800s. We can then look at the thousands column, and we can see we need to do 5,000, take away 6,000. Again, as 5,000 is smaller than 6,000, we cannot complete this operation. So we need to move to the next column up and take a 10,000. We currently have 2 10,000s in this column. So if we're going to take 1, we are now left with 1. And this 10,000 here is equivalent to 10 lots of 1,000. So that 10,000 we take moves in front of the 5 to show that we now have 15,000s. We can now do 15,000, take away 6,000, which equals 9,000. We move on to our next column, which is the 10,000s. We have to do 1 lot of 10,000, so that's 10,000. Take away 3 lots of 10,000, which is 30,000. Once again, Our digit at the top is smaller than the digit below, so we cannot complete the operation. We move to the next column up, which is the hundred thousands, and we are going to take one of those 100,000s and place it in the 10,000 column. We currently have 700,000s. If we're going to take one away, we are now left with 600,000s. The 100,000 that we are taking from here is equivalent to 10 lots of 10,000. So that 100,000 that we are taking goes in front of the 10,000 we already have to create 11 lots of 10,000. We can then do 11 10,000s, take away 3, which leaves us with 8 lots of 10,000. And we can move on to our final column, which is the 100,000s. We have 6 lots of 100,000, and there's nothing to take away. So that's 6 take away 0 equals 6. 726,635 subtract 36,814 equals 689,821. Pause the video now and have a go at solving this subtraction question yourself. Here is your answer.